Hey guys, so today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we do the tea latte that we had posted. They had like dried blueberries and stuff. So we tried it the way they did with our own concoction of herbs. We didn't do the berries, but it was good. It was very good. The other thing is we used whole milk instead of their hemp milk. But this is something that we've been doing for a long time already, and we've never actually showed you guys this, but as long as the other videos floating around, I thought we would do this for you. So instead of going live, I'm going to piece these videos together. So the first thing is we picked the herbs that we're going to put in, which you can see there's some rose, chamomile, lavender. I think there's some cinnamon in there, some rose hips. I put all kinds of different things in there. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually espresso it. And in order to do this, I've done it both ways where I've ground it before, and I've also done it where I've just pressed the whole herbs in. So we're gonna do that first, and then we'll come back and we'll show you guys how this works, and then we're gonna also steam some milk. So the next thing we need to do is we need to powder the herbs, which we did, and we need to fill our espresso with water. The herbs are gonna go into the espresso. We're going to push it down, and we're going to cook the espresso or make the espresso on the stove, and then we'll get our cream and we'll go from there. What you do is you get cream, whatever you like. We used whole milk and some extra vanilla. We steamed it. We have a frother, so we just push the button and it froths for us. And then we took our herbs, as you saw, our tea that we had powdered, and we made a concentrated tea from it. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your favorite Zodiac mug and put it in. See how nice and thick that is? That was your herbs. Okay. And now if you would like to sweeten it, feel free. What happens is it sort of becomes a sugar, and it sort of does get a little bit sweet on its own, but next you would add your milk. There you have it. So that's what I call an espresso tea latte, and there is no espresso in it. It's just that we use the espresso machine or the stove espresso maker to make a concentrated tea. So then we use that, we pour it in there, and it's super yummy. You can sweeten it if you want, a little bit of honey or sugar, however you guys sweeten it, but give it a try. It's really yummy. As far as the amounts go, you would use the amount to fill for whatever your espresso machine or your espresso holder holds, and make sure to powder the herbs and enjoy.